Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be touring, seriously, like the most magnificent villa ever. Like, you guys are not gonna believe your eyes on this. Starting out here, we have got your kitchen area, okay? We got pink, which normally I think is kind of tacky, but honestly, it really goes well with the contrast of the color scheme in this house. It's a mixed stone countertop. You've got your stovetop right here, which is great because you can finish cooking and then you can just set it, just serve it directly to the people that are sitting over here. Very cool, but that is not my favorite part of this place by far, so come on along and join me and I'm gonna show you the rest. Over here, you've got the living room. You walk down and you're kind of just in your own zone, your own element, right? There's plenty of outlets on all sides of this couch, which is great. All you need to put are some cushions right here. And then this actually leads right out to your balcony, but we're gonna check that out in a second because I really wanna show you guys this over here first. You got your guest bathroom in here. Of course, you've got modern, up-to-date sinks. This place is brand spanking new. Wow, this is your guest bedroom, okay? And just look at this place, it's crazy. All right, so first off, you've got a concrete built-in bed in the perfect place. Every morning you wake up to your amazing view. You can walk straight out of this sliding glass door and you've got your pool right out here, but we're gonna check that out in just a minute because I really wanna show you this first. If you walk back here, you're gonna see your guest bathroom. I mean, you could shower literally like 10 people in here. I don't know what it is about rich people and their big showers, but for some reason they just really need a lot of space, like to dance to music or something while they're in here. But come on in, I'll show you. This is a Shaquille O'Neal house. If you're a big guy like me, you're gonna love the shower heads. You could have a whole basketball team just fit right in here and they could all take a shower and wouldn't have to like shower like this, which is like what we're all used to. Over here, you got a really cool Kim Kardashian sink. I love the way that this thing turns on and off. It just like flows down into the drain. Sliding door, which leads you into a huge walk-through closet, which you've got storage space on both sides. You also have cubbies along the top row, which you can lock. They all come with their own separate key. And you got plenty of roll-out drawers right here to put any shoes, anything like that. But that is not even close to the best part yet, so follow me and I'll show you my favorite part of this whole place. Look at this view. I haven't even been to like the most exclusive clubs and seen a view that's this beautiful before. I mean, this is just incredible. Just look at that view. I mean, you can see islands in the distance, beaches, mountains all around you. It's just incredible. And no view is gonna be perfect without a magnificent pool. I mean, this pool is just beautiful. It's an everlasting pool, so it flows off the side, kind of brings it back through and recycles your water. And then right here, you've got a really big, nice seating area. And I just love the way that this place was crafted. It got outlets everywhere, light switches everywhere, beautiful light fixtures. But if you guys follow me upstairs, we've only seen about half of this villa so far. And it's kind of crazy because even walking upstairs, you've got these beautiful glass panes. The whole theme, it's glass and white. Wow. Okay, look over this balcony really quick and you can see right to the front upstairs balcony portion of this house. And I love the light fixtures right here too. Open concept, so you can like always be talking to people downstairs. You can see what's going on, but you guys have got to see this, so follow me over this way. Man, this is just incredible. You can see the whole scheme of the house as you walk through it. Okay, so this is your master bedroom up here, right? Now I would even like kind of convince your guests downstairs that they're staying in the best room, maybe not bring them up here so they don't feel like they got cheated, but holy cow, you guys, like you have this beautiful, huge king-size bed, same features as the one downstairs, but then through here you actually have your walk-in closet. I'll go ahead and walk through, meet you guys. Yeah, now you can see. You got tons of storage space on this side, perfect for 2 people. But if you guys follow me this way, you haven't even seen the best part yet. So through here, this is my favorite part. Come out here and you have a balcony that stretches the entire length of the whole house. And on this side, you've got yourself a beautiful Bathsheba tub that you can take a nice bath, right? But nobody's gonna be spying on you here because this villa is like the highest, tallest villa on this entire mountain. So you're gonna have all the privacy that you desire. Such a sweet Austin Powers like walk-through shower, right? So if you want to, you can, you know, just quickly just like kind of walk through here, shower off, then you can go to the bathroom, and then when you're finished, you can walk back over through here, and you got your wardrobe right around the corner, right? So I think that's a pretty sweet deal. Over here, you got a double vanity sink, all right, for 2 people, and that's always really nice to have. Any of you guys and girls out there, you know, separate sinks makes for a happy marriage. You've only seen half of the balcony as it stretches all the way along your whole house. So even if you wanted to set up something over here, like maybe a little table, do some barbecue, you could do a little hibachi grill out here, right? This house, I swear, this is like, this has got to be a place that Usher stayed or something. Like, this is so crazy. But if you guys follow me through here, let's check out this other guest room real quick. This guest room, it's beautiful. You've got beautiful light fixtures. You have a huge sliding glass window. I love the natural light. This whole place, I mean, it's like, you wouldn't even need to have the lights on in the day. Really, really large wardrobe space for 2 people. Once again, rainfall shower, really love it. And you've got plenty of little like cubbies and stuff, so that way you don't have to like stick any of those like dollar store stick-on things that always falls down when you got your shampoo bottles in there and then it like stubs your toe, right? Drives me crazy. I hate those things. This is straight up a villa like from an Usher music video. It's just awesome. I love it. Got tons and tons of really great storage space, along with this hidden automatic dishwasher, which every single house, like, you have to have this. Like, I don't know, maybe I just got spoiled on my last house because I had one, but now it's like, I just can't even do dishes anymore, right? Lots and lots of open drawers here to put all of your kitchenware, and then also here underneath your stovetop, you got plenty of space to put your pots and pans, things like that. And you have a really, really modern, this is like as close to a robot as you're gonna get when it comes to a fridge. Like, you hold your hand on here for 3 seconds, it unlocks your refrigerator, and then it like beeps at you, right? Kind of like R2-D2, I love that, that's just really cool. And no house would be a house without a Harry Potter closet, which is right through here. And inside you have plenty of storage space, and you have some shelving on this side, but then you actually have a water hookup right here for a laundry machine, or, you know, you've also got a couple different outlets for any of your laundry stuff. Or, you know, hey, if you want to have some water close by to water your beautiful tree that's right in the center of your room here, you've got that too. But just look at this incredible view, and it leads all the way over here to this door. I love how big it is. It's a very big, grand Shaquille O'Neal front door. And you guys know as much as I do, first impressions are everything. So when your friends walk up to the estate, you're gonna have this massive door that you can open and kind of greet them into your spectacular villa with. It's super cool, I love it. This is the front of your villa right here. And as you can see, you got a really nice long driveway right through here. Plenty of parking space for any cars, any Lambos, anything that you're gonna have at all. But if you come up here, you're gonna notice you're at the end of a cul-de-sac, which is super nice. So if you ever need to turn around, you just turn around. It's just that simple. It's really beautiful. But we're gonna head downstairs. I wanna show you guys some potential for the new home that you're looking at. One of my favorite parts about this villa is that you have a whole lower level here with tons of storage space underneath, right? It's possible that you could build an additional villa, or maybe you could build a few more rooms, add on to this place in the future if you'd like to. But needless to say, you've got plenty of space to work with. Thanks again for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you want to see other villas, or if you also just want to see some travel videos, right? And if you have any questions at all, you're thinking about visas, you're thinking about, do they have, modern amenities? Do they have McDonald's over here, for crying out loud? Just leave a comment below. We'll get back to you seriously within 24 hours. We love helping people out that are thinking about coming over here. If you're already here though, and you want to see a tour of this villa, or you're interested in some other villas, we have seriously credible, reliable, good friends who've been working here for a long time, and they understand the legalities inside and out. So if you guys go to this website, then we will hook you up with our friends who are gonna help you to get settled. Thanks again for watching the video, guys. We really appreciate your support, and we will see you on the next one.